Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can change your delivery address on Fedex. So I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to change your delivery address on Fedex, what you'll need to do is first thing, you need to open up your tracking page. For that, you need to go to your web browser and then on the search box, you need to type in the link that is fedex.com/tracking.html, and I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below. If you need to change or correct the delivery address before the package is delivered, you need to log in into your Fedex account, go to the tracking page and then follow the 3 steps. First of all, you need to enter in your tracking number or the reference number, and after that you need to select manage delivery from the list, and once you do that, you need to edit the delivery address, and that is how you can change your delivery address on Fedex. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.